Tortoise was in his garden shed. He'd found an old book on how to fly. I do get a bit bored with just being an ordinary walkabout sort of tortoise. I wish I could be a flying tortoise, he said to himself. I wonder. I say, anyone home? Said a voice from the other side of the fence. Yes, it was Boris the lion. I say, you too. Sorry, Boris, I'm very busy, said Cedric. Oh, I just called to see if you'd like to pop along to my birthday dinner and, I can't stop, I'm afraid. Important job. Got to finish before dark. Oh, well, do drop in when you've finished anyway. Cedric soared and hammered the whole day long. Hammered and soared, soared and hammered, till at last, make way for the world's first flying tortoise. Blast off in 2 minutes and counting. Cedric was too busy to notice Becky Bird up in the tree above his shed. To the launch pad. Becky Bird was having quite a laugh to herself. Tortoises can't fly. You can just mind your own business, Becky Bird, and stand clear of the launch pad while you're about it. I'm about to commence liftoff. Well, don't say I can warn you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, parkour! I told you so, said Becky. Oh dear, said Cedric. Look, if you really want to fly, get rid of those silly wings, get back on your launch pad, and away we go! So there I was, left with 100 silly trifles, and Boris was in the middle of one of his very long after-dinner stories. The animals were getting rather bored when, what's that? It's a strange bird, said Ferdy Fox. It's a plane, said Mrs. Bite. No, it's not either. It's a flying tortoise, and he's just about to land the next trifle. You managed to drop in then, said Boris. I wanted to learn to fly. You'll have to learn to swim if you keep landing in trifles, said Ferdy. I think I've had enough adventure for today, thank you. I don't think tortoises is built for flying. Never mind. At least you're here, and we're glad you've given up flying. Cedric gave a little smile. I know it was silly, but it was good fun, and I'm not sorry. So there.